If you are still struggling to achieve a simple flawless look using affordable brands, then this video is for you. Hi guys, my name is Tracy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, welcome. And if you're an OG, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for sticking around with me. God bless you. So in today's video, we're starting off with carving our brows. I just trimmed off the excess brows. Then next off, I'm using the Blossom micellar water to cleanse the face, then clean off the skin to make sure there is no dirt on the canvas. It's always good to start your makeup on a clean canvas, guys. Then next off, I'm hydrating her face using the Kiss Beauty hydrating spray. This is just to bring moisture to the skin after cleansing the skin. Then I'll allow that to dry down. Moving over to the moisturizer, I'm using the Blossom Essence moisturizer. It's a water-based moisturizer, guys. This hydrates and moisturizes the skin very well. So it's always good for you to moisturize the skin. Skin prep is very necessary. This will determine how flawless your look will come out. So once I'm done, I'll let that dry down a bit. Then I'll move over to primer. For primer, I'm using the Adventure primer. It's a very mattifying primer, guys. A little goes a long way. And please always avoid the under eyes when applying your primer. Thank you. So because it's an oily skin, I went with my setting powder to just quickly set all over her face except her under eyes. This will just help to hold the skin prep very well, and it will control the oil and sweat. So once I'm done, I will spray the face again to seal all the skin prep that we did. So for foundation, I use the V Beauty foundation. I mixed 2 shades to get a skin tone. Guys, can you see this foundation match? Can you see how flawless it blends with the skin? So always blend your foundation with a damp beauty sponge. It helps blend seamlessly. So moving over to our contour, I use the Ava foundation to contour our face. This is just to give the face a lift and a structure. Yeah, then I'm also contouring our nose. This is just to make the nose look more precise and snatched. So moving over to this blush, I'm using the Lip palette, Eye Magic lip palette as a blush for today. I just gently apply that on our cheekbone. Guys, can you see how flawless it blends? A little goes a long way, guys. It's good for you to build your coverage than to use too much products. So next off, I'm using the concealer. I'm using the Ezekiel concealer. Guys, this concealer is very creamy, but it dries down fast. So just take a little and conceal first, blend in before you move over to the next one. If not, before you finish applying the first one, it will dry. So please take your time, just apply a little, then quickly blend before you move over to the next part. So I'm concealing under her eyes, her forehead, her nose bridge, and her chin. A little goes a long way, guys. So once I'm done, because she was looking down, so I had to quickly go back to the under eyes to blend again. Then so for the setting powder, I'm using the V Beauty powder palette to set her under eyes first. Yeah, guys, powder palette, you can use that. This gives it more coverage. So just set the under eyes. A little goes a long way until you are satisfied with the coverage that you have. I'm gently setting every places I concealed earlier on. So once I'm done, I went in with the setting powder just slightly to set the under eyes again. Guys, please subscribe to my video, like, share, please encourage me. Thank you. God bless you. So I'm still setting, guys. Just you can go over as many times as you want, but please don't go into too much product. So after I'm done setting, to set the rest of our face, I went in with my V Beauty powder palette again with a fluffy brush, a powder brush, to blend and set every other part of our face except the under eyes, guys. Guys, can you see that shade? So once I'm done, I went in for the dry contour. I picked a shade darker than our skin tone to contour every places I did the wet contour before. Yes, guys, when you finish with your wet contour, you go in with your dry contour. So I'm contouring our face, our cheekbone, our jaw lines, and also her nose. This is just to further define the nose very well. So guys, how have you been? It's been a while. If you've watched this video to this point, please leave a comment. Tell me the kind of video you want, guys. Can you see how my client is feeling herself? Like, she's already loving the makeup. The skin work is giving. Yeah. So for the blush, I went in with my CV MAC eyeshadow. I picked the pink blush there. So I'm gently dusting that on her face. Guys, can you see what blush does? Blush brings that color, just a pop of color to the skin and to the face. So go over as many as you want, but make sure you do what your clients want, like a client's preference. Yes. So once I'm done, I went in with a small fluffy brush. This is just to blend the under eyes with the contour seamlessly to make sure there is no harsh line. Just watch, you will see what that does. Can you see? So once I'm done, I went in with just my powder brush, no powder, just to blend every part of the face. So to seal the face, I'm using the New Balm setting spray. It's a matte setting spray, guys. Can you see how that just sets the whole face? No powdery effects. Guys, can you see that? So once I'm done, moving over to the brows, I'm using a brow tamer. This is just to hold the brows in place, the hairs in place, I mean. So before I move out to my brows, I'm just gently baking the under eyes, guys. But I didn't use much powder because I don't want the under eyes to be overly baked. So for eyeshadow, I'm using the eyeshadow primer, the Benign eyeshadow primer. Benign Clear White eyeshadow primer. Because she had a first lash on her already, so I'm just gently holding the lash down a bit for me to be able to apply the eyeshadow primer and not to stain her lashes. So guys, moving over, the first color I used for crease line is I used the what is it called, a compact powder. It's a dark compact powder. I love the shade it gives, so that was why I used it. So after I'm done, to further brighten the crease line again, I went in with my CV MAC eyeshadow palette and just gently blend that on the crease. Can you see the effect it gives? So moving over to the lid color, guys, I went in with that in that same eyeshadow palette. I picked a white and nude shade, yeah, to give me this color as the main lid color. So once I've done, for the outer part, I use the brown to just gently blend that to give that soft eye effect. Guys, can you see? So I wanted the eyes, I wanted a soft look. Like my client's description was just a soft look, but I should bring it out close to her tear dot. Yeah. Guys, please, have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Please, guys, please subscribe, guys. So for the under eyes, I used the brown shade as well to smudge the under eye before I went in with my Carrot gel liner, the black gel liner, as a waterline. Yes, this is what I'm doing right now. So for the brows, I used the Davis eye pencil in 03. I didn't really do much on the brows, just a quick brows because time was against us already. So I'm just trying to meet up on time. Yeah. So I just used the Davis eye pencil to define the brows. Then I'm making strokes at the beginning of the brows. So to further deepen the brows and to make it pop more, I mixed my Carrot gel liner, both the brown and the black, just to define the brows and make it pop more. Yeah. So moving over to the lips, guys, I didn't even know that I didn't record the part I was defining the lips. I used my iMagic lip palette. I used the brown shade to define her lips. Before I move over to this pinkish nude, then I asked my client to smack her lips. It helps blend easy. Then I just told her to smile a bit so that the lips will be firm for me to blend very, very well. Yeah. Guys, can you see how this look is coming out? Can you see? A little goes a long way, and all products I used are Nigeria brands, guys. So you don't need to break banks. Just work with what you have. As time goes on, you keep building your kits gradually. Yeah. So if you've watched this video to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you, God bless you. Please just tell me the kind of video you want. Please comment on the comment section. Let's converse, please. So once I'm done, I'm dusting off the excess powder and the eyeshadow fallout. So I went in with the blush again just to pop it up more. Can you see that effect it gives? So I did the same thing just to remove the harsh line between the under eye setting and the blush I did earlier on. Guys, can you see how this look is giving? So for the cheek glaze, I'm using the TM Essential cheek glaze. I just applied on the back of my palm, and I use my beauty sponge to dab that. I don't want to take it directly because there is oil in it. Almost done. So once I'm done, I will spray the face again. This is just to seal up the face. For the lip gloss, I'm using the Ava lip gloss. The transparent gloss though, but it has this kind of shine in it. Guys, please ignore any noise you hear on the background, guys. My kids are actually disturbing me. So yeah, I'm still applying the lip gloss. So I'll just use my wet wipe to clean up any fallout on our lashes. Then for the under eyes, I'm using the Polar Beauty mascara to brush out our under eyes, guys. And this is the final look, guys. Can you see how flawless this look? Can you see how beautiful this look is? It's so fine. Like, guys, my client loved the look so much. This is the low light effect I did on her, and the look came out very well. It came out so nice. So thank you so much for watching. Please, guys, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. God bless you. I love you.